How to log into Costco Citi Card online account. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to get logged in into the Citi Card's online account, first of all open any of your browser and search for Costco Citi Card login. This will give you Costco Anywhere Visa Card by Citi login page on the top. Tap on it and it will redirect you to the home page. Just below the login option or the logo option, you will see sign on. Tap on it and it will redirect you to another page. This is where you have to give your credentials. So first of all, it will ask you for your user ID or username and then the password. Make sure to give the correct credentials. Likewise, if you have forgotten your user ID or password, you have the link for both. Additionally, you can also activate the card and register for online access from the same page. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.